Very satisfied with the results here. We just got this sonic washer for Christmas, so we're gonna give it a go, and we're gonna clean up this coolant reservoir washer tank. Take a close look here. It's real gross and old, and we're gonna try to take apart all the electronics, and then we're gonna just drop this whole thing in the washer tank. That's how loud it is. Try to pop off this washer motor at least. Okay, that's fine. We're just gonna toss this as is. Merry Christmas, everybody. And then we're just gonna toss this whole thing in here. Okay, we're just gonna fill up a little more water and we're gonna set it and forget it. Okay, so you can see the sonic washer did the bulk of the work. I'm just gonna go ahead and scrub the rest of this down. It looked really dirty because it looked like there was a clear coat, and what I'm using is just literally dish soap and hot water. I'm just gonna rinse this off and we'll reveal it. It's not bad actually. This bracket cleaned up. This is not bad at all. Not too shabby compared to the before. Okay, that's fine. We're just gonna toss this as is. This is looking pretty good. I'll say this is a win. Cleaning coolant and washer tanks from 1976. I should have really took it before, but man, that cleaned up really nice. And I can see this has been repaired and soldered before. But yeah, I'm literally just gonna leave this in the tank, and yeah, you can see where it was leaking. So I'm just gonna, yeah, you can see where this was leaking. We're just gonna dunk this in the tank and we're gonna see how it does, because who doesn't like a good functioning heater? Give this a dunk. To show you, I ran this through the parts washer. Here's the heater core. Pretty clean. Pretty sure it's leaking somewhere because it was spewing from right here. Anyways, toss this in the sonic washer and it cleaned up pretty good. This tank really cleaned up, really good. Very satisfied with the results here. So I'm just gonna keep finding stuff to wash. We're slowly putting this car back together.
I've also decided to throw in this turn signal switch. Figure everything's mechanical.
Yeah, we're gonna take off this and replace it with this. This one's nice and clean. And it has a washer. This one's broken. Okay, so pull that out. Little clock spring for the horn. So I might have to gut it off this one to get onto this one. Need to steal this part to put onto here. A little bit of terribleness, but we got it on. Plug this in. It works. Get our top cover in. Get this thing in there. We're gonna have to recenter this. No ugga-duggas here. Had to loosen the column to get the plastic off. All right, let's snug up the column. Had to dig through the archives for this one. Shout out to Bob, FF Podcast, for getting me this steering wheel from Up Garage a long time ago. Feel like this is taking much longer than it needs to be. Cool. This seat has broken. I'd like to fix it and use the original seat. Okay, so if you look at this, this is cracked. Put the hardware back. Looks like a French fry. We'll vacuum that up. Okay, well, I'm gonna say the seat's broken. You need a driver's seat. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but it's split right here. This thing should be welded. So I'm gonna have to try to weld that back up. Try to get this reupholstered. Okay, and if you're wondering what a seat looks like that has 880,000 miles, this is it. I'm gonna say this still occurred even with the sheepskin. A lot of miles in this seat. That's it today for Terrible Celica. Just gotta get parts and make some moves.